Okay, we've got a special unboxing today. This just arrived and it is the PlayStation 5 limited edition version. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. This is the Slim version. The Pro was sold out by the time I got in there, so it looks so nice. Let's get it out of the box and open it up. Compared to the original PlayStation box, I mean the original PS5 one, packaging of this is so nice. You've got the classic PlayStation font as well. So inside you get controller, stand, vertical stand as well. See the other side. Okay, let's open this up. We've got a nice PlayStation 30th anniversary and then a lot of the old consoles that they've had here. This is pretty cool as well. Got all the original PlayStations as well. Box is pretty nice. Got your cables, I believe. The controller. That is pretty nice. And here we have the main product. So let's open this up and see how it looks. Gotta be gentle with it. There we are. Oh, a bit underwhelmed with it. Got the original PlayStation logo. Well, yeah, that's it. Yeah, not sure what to make of that. So that's the PS5 Slim unboxing, the 30th anniversary edition. Thanks for watching. This is pretty cool as well. I'm not sure what it is. Just found it in the box. Seems like it's some sort of wrapping paper or some book. Yeah, I like the design of it.